Here's how to change your Apple ID password if forgotten. Now, first just head into the Settings app if you have your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer. If you don't have those devices on you, I'll show you a second option how to change it online. Now, the first thing we're going to do on your phone is scroll down until you get to Privacy and Security. Potentially stolen device protection will prevent you from changing that password. So all we need to do is scroll down until we get to Stolen Device Protection. If this is turned on, all you need to do is turn it off so that you'll be able to change that password on your phone or computer or iPad. After you've done that, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. After you're at the beginning, you can tap on your name at the top. And then there is Sign In and Security. Just tap on that. Now, the nice thing is, if you have your phone with you or any other device that's an Apple device, you can change your Apple ID password without needing to know the password. So I can hit Change Password, and you'll be able to see it will ask for my iPhone password. This is the passcode that I use to unlock my phone. So let me just enter that in real quick. And after I've done that, you can see New Password. It says choose a secure password that you can remember. Now, all you need to do is enter in a new one. You don't need to know your old password, even if you forgot it. However, let's say you don't know the passcode to unlock your phone or to unlock that setting, or it doesn't work on you or anything like that. You can always just swipe all the way over to the app library, and let's check somewhere else as well. On here, under the app library, we're first just going to check for the Passwords app. So open up the Passwords app, and here we can tap on All. And all we need to do is scroll down until we get to Apple on this list and tap on it. And you'll be able to see your username and your password. You can just tap on it to reveal your old password, even if you forgot it. Now, if it's not in here, another place that you can check is you can go to Google Chrome as well. That's another place that could potentially have your password. So just search for Google Chrome and open it up. And from here, tap on those three dots at the bottom right, and then just tap on Password Manager. You'll be able to see just like that. Let me use my Face ID to unlock this. You can see all of your passwords that Apple has, or rather Google has. You can just tap on it and be able to see if that forgotten password is in here. So we've gone through all of these steps. If you still don't know it or it's not in here, I would recommend a website-based version to be able to help you out. So let's open up Safari or Google Chrome. And all we're going to do is go to the website iforgot.apple.com and hit go. Keep in mind, you can do this on any device. It can be a PC or an Android phone or a friend's phone. It doesn't really matter. You'll be able to see it says forgot your password. We can reset that Apple ID password. All I need to do is tap on it, and you can see reset password, reset your password to use on this phone. Keep in mind, it does recognize that it's on the same phone, but if you're not on that same phone, it will go through a bit different steps, and essentially it will just text you or email you a verification code. You can also choose to help someone else if you wanted to. Essentially, you're on someone else's device and you're helping yourself. And then you're just going to, again, enter in that email or phone number, and they will text you or email you a code to be able to reset that password, even if you forgot it.